ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to Learn Kannada Smartapp's YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be teaching you about compound letters in Kannada. Before proceeding further, if you have not yet installed our app yet, please go to Google Play Store and search for Learn Kannada Smartapp and install it now. So if you remember the last two video tutorials in this playlist, the first one was about Kannada alphabet and its categories. The second one was about Kannada syllables, and now we'll see about compound letters. So if you remember the definition of Kannada syllable, when a consonant gets combined with vowel, it forms a syllable, right? So that is a syllable. Now the question is, what happens if a consonant gets combined with consonant, another consonant? So that's where we get compound letters. So that's the definition. When a consonant gets combined with other consonants, it forms compound letters. So I'll explain you a simple example here. So if you remember, what is the Kannada translation to word grandfather? It's Ajja. Okay, it's Ajja. So if you observe it properly and split it, first let's split the consonant and vowels. So A is vowel, and then the next one is Ja, which is pronounced twice at the same time, right? So if you see A and then J, J, A. So when you add this, you get Ajja. Now let's say we'll try one more word. What is book called in Kannada? It's Pustaka. So book is called as Pustaka in Kannada. If you split it, the first one is Pu. Let's split this into consonant and vowel, which is P plus U. P plus U. This is Pu. Now the next letter is Sta. If we split it, it is Sta has Sa accent, Ta accent, and both gets S and Th gets combined with A vowel. S and Th gets combined with A. So that became Pusta. And the next letter is Ka, which is very simple. K plus A is Ka. That is Ka. And the end result is Pustaka. Right? So you can split this into. So if you see it properly, it's actually each letter gets split when you write it in English, right? So if your Ajja is A plus J plus J plus A, and then you write the Kannada A plus J plus J plus A. And for Pustaka also, see P plus U plus S plus T plus A plus K plus A, right? P plus U plus S plus T plus A plus K plus A. Cool. Now you know what is a compound letter. There are categories in compound letters. What are they? The first one is Sajati Samyuktaksharaಗಳು, and the second one is Vijati Samyuktaksharaಗಳು. Sajati in Kannada means they are of same caste or same type. Okay, that is Sajati Samyuktaksharaಗಳು. Second one is Vijati, which means they are of different type. So by now you might have already understood the categories, right? Sajati means we will have two letters, two same consonants gets combined. Whereas in Vijati, two different consonants gets combined. So this is the example. First one is Amma. Amma means mother. If you see here, it's M and M. And M. So this is Amma. This is Sajati Samyuktakshara. And the second one is Shakti, right? Where Ka letter and Ta letter gets combined. So they are different consonants. That's why they are called as Vijati Samyuktakshara. So it's very simple, right? You can just split any word you hear, you can just split it and try to find out the consonant vowel in it. I'll just explain you some more examples for better understanding. If you listen the word Kannada language itself is a Vijati Samyuktakshara, Sajati Samyuktakshara, right? Because N and N gets combined. So if you split it, k plus n plus n plus a plus d plus a. This is Kannada. Right? Now let's try one Vijati Samyuktakshara also. The first one is Parikshe. Pretty huge word. So p plus a, which is pa, r plus e, which is re, k plus sh, ye, which is kshe. So the end result is Parikshe. So now you know the technicality, right? So first you should know the alphabet and its categories, which are consonants and vowels, and then you should know syllables where consonants gets combined with vowels, and the third main concept is compound letters where two different consonants gets combined. So now what we will do, we will just go back to the app, just try some random words. I want you to try here. Let's go to directions. Do we have any compound letters here? Yeah, we have one.
Hattira.
So what is it? Is it a Sajati Samyuktakshara or Vijati? Yes, it is Sajati, because ta and ta gets combined here. So Hattira, if you split it, ha plus a, t plus t plus a plus e it is, because it is ti, and r plus a. So this is Hattira. Right? Let's try one more word. Bannagalu. If you see this itself,
Bannagalu.
it is also Sajati. Let's try some Vijati now. Most of the words you find will be Sajati Samyuktakshara. Now let's say this is the one.
Shukravara.
Now if you split it, sh plus u plus k plus r plus a. So shukra, v plus a, which is va, r plus a. So the result is Shukravara. So thank you guys. This is about compound letters. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video and share it among your friend circle, and keep watching tutorials. Thank you so much.